right, let's try this again. Test 1 2 1 2 in the mic in the house. All right, so let's put these covers back on. Let's go over there and we'll get all of our piping together and see if we can make this thing work. Alright, so I bought a T here, a three-way, because I want it to come in, but you also have to have the ability to prime this on both sides, so this would be my prime up top. Alright, so whenever you need to cut something that's round, I always put a piece of tape and then just run that tape around, and then you just line it up. And there you go, cut along the edge of the tape, and that'll give you a pretty square cut. Life hack. There you go. Not a bad job. They said that you had to have a check valve on this thing, and it's got a flow, the direction the water flows, so we're going to get this one installed, and man, I hope I bought enough elbows to get this done today. Alright, let's keep on working. Sweet. Well, that's half of it. Let's get the other half up. Alright, we'll finish these last little cuts, and then hopefully we'll be able to prime this thing and then plug it in and get some water out. That'd be awesome. Hey, well, alright, I think that's it. I got a 3/4 coming off there with a nipple on the end, or a male adapter on the end, so my PEX should be able to hook up straight to that, run it into the house, and then we'll see what happens. I don't know how bad this thing vibrates. I don't know if I need to mount it on like a platform. So, you know, I gotta prime it first, but we'll plug it in, see if we get water out of this thing. So, let's go prime this thing and see what happens. Well, it says prime it. I'm gonna pop this thing and see if it'll prime itself. And it's shooting out the other side, so let's see what happens if we plug it in. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Well, alright. Hey, it works. Now we just got to put the PEX on, and we'll go from there. You can't see me. Uh-oh. Alright, get this thing off. There we go. Alright, so we did a test run on it outside. It worked just fine. So I got the PEX inside. I had to cut a little piece so I could thread this up to the faucet, with a T on it, or an angle, a 90. And so I'll thread this up, and then we'll hook these two together. Then I got to hook it up outside, and then we'll be back in business. We'll give this the maiden voyage. See if it works. Got the piece onto the faucet. Then we got to do one more crimp on the pecs, and then go outside and do one out there.
Okay, you ready? Is it on? Oh my gosh! Woo! We got water! That is so awesome! You see, babe?
You got pressure?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Watch.
Success. All right, well, that's pretty much it. We've got to do some, we'll make some modifications on this, because we're going to add a filter in between this line and the pump so we don't get any pine needles in there. And then we're on this side over here, we're going to add a two-way so we can have some water coming out here for a water hose, and then we're going to have another line that comes out, because we're going to set up a hot water on demand heater. So yeah, but it's working great. There's only one problem, is that I'm getting a bulge here right there, so I might have to switch that check valve out to a metal one. That way it's just all hard line going into the pump. So we'll see what happens. Well, alright, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We'd love having you hang out with us. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.